In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a Mailchimp campaign as a PDF in this full 2025 tutorial. Whether you're looking to keep a record of your email marketing efforts or need a PDF copy for review or sharing, this guide will walk you through each step of the process. Let's dive right in. First, we need to open your Mailchimp campaign. Begin by logging into your Mailchimp account. Once you're in, head over to the campaigns section. You can find this by navigating to campaigns in the main menu and then selecting all campaigns. This is where you'll see a list of all the campaigns that you've previously created or are currently working on. Find the campaign that you'd like to export and click on its name. This will open up the campaign editor for that specific email. With your campaign open, our next step is to preview the email. Inside the campaign editor, look for the preview option and click on Enter Preview Mode. Doing this will display the full layout of your email exactly as it will appear to your audience. It's a great way to ensure everything looks perfect before converting it into a PDF. Moving on to the final step, we need to print the campaign to a PDF. While in the preview mode, right-click anywhere on the screen and choose the print option from the context menu. Alternatively, you can use your keyboard shortcuts pressing Ctrl+P on a Windows machine or Cmd+P if you're using a Mac. This action will bring up the print window. In this print window, there are a few settings we need to adjust to ensure your email is saved exactly as you want. Start by setting the destination to Save as PDF. This choice will convert your email layout into a PDF file rather than sending it to a physical printer. Next, consider the layout. You can choose between portrait or landscape, depending on the design of your email for the best fit. After choosing the layout, look at the margin setting. Select minimum to ensure that you get the fullest possible view without unnecessary white space cropping out crucial parts of your design. Once you've adjusted these settings to your preference, go ahead and click Save. You'll be prompted to name your file. A good practice is to choose a name that reflects the campaign and the date, such as Mailchimp Campaign October 2025 PDF. Finally, hit Save once more and choose where you'd like to store this file on your computer. And there you have it. You've successfully exported your mail